If your business depends on company vehicles, keeping them running smoothly isn't optional. It's critical. In this video, we'll break down the importance of fleet maintenance, what it involves, and how to protect your vehicles, your team, and your bottom line. Fleet maintenance is more than oil changes. It's a business strategy. It covers regular inspections, preventive care, and timely repairs for all company vehicles. The goal is to reduce breakdowns, improve safety, and extend vehicle life. Proper maintenance saves money by lowering fuel costs, downtime, and liability risks. Skipping maintenance is like ignoring health checkups. Problems grow, prevents breakdowns that cause missed jobs and frustrated customers, improves fuel economy through proper tire pressure and engine tuning, increases resale value and reduces long-term operating costs. A good maintenance plan is built around consistency. Track oil changes, brake inspections, tire rotations, and fluid checks by mileage. Keep individual service records for every vehicle. Use software or spreadsheets to manage schedules and reminders. Don't wait for something to break. Fix small problems early. Preventive maintenance catches issues before they become costly. Reactive repairs mean expensive emergency labor, towing, and missed jobs. A proactive plan keeps your fleet reliable and on the road. When a vehicle's down, your business loses more than money. Missed appointments and delayed deliveries hurt your reputation. Productivity drops, and rental replacements add up fast. Routine maintenance helps avoid these hidden losses. Well-maintained vehicles burn less fuel and run cleaner. Properly inflated tires and clean filters improve miles per gallon. Regular oil changes and wheel alignments reduce fuel waste. Small savings multiply quickly when managing multiple vehicles. Your drivers play a big role in fleet maintenance success. Teach them to report dashboard alerts and odd vehicle sounds. Have them perform daily walkarounds for tire, light, and fluid checks. Encourage smooth driving to extend vehicle life and cut fuel use. A dependable fleet keeps your business moving, your customers happy, and your team safe. For expert fleet maintenance in Southern California, call Perris Auto Repair Center today at 951-943-2677. Let us keep your vehicles on the road and your business on track.